see the kids that don't know what school has in our building. They are going to the machine wash off in a day and things. Brand new 2025 chopper 2 ways 5 speed. They don't know not too fast, but you have a little vibes. You see. So what you know? Come, just follow me through, man, and introduce yourself and talk about bike and things. You see. Welcome to the channel. And just subscribe and like up the video and things. You see. I don't know, so how they are. That's a great thing. You see it and other youth, that's all I think. So, just support things. Now watch how me I sweat. You see me just want to show the machine. I think. Alright, so sorry. So it's a channel basis, you know, it's a vlog, a day-to-day thing. Time I go out, don't know me have a GoPro as it or a camera, so I don't know my phone. You can't ride and have a phone so now, yes, so just a little snippet of when I go out and I'm charging them hormone at the time of the road. Bike not straight yet. I'll collect the papers them tomorrow. Papers them ready. We'll put it by Saturday. Can't straighten it. Tuesday. So, everyone says a 2-base chopper, 5 speed, they don't know. Don't call it dog box or something like that. All of my gear them they down. So until I go up the gear up, I have to go down and thing. You see me? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So, don't know it's a 2-base. Not really fast like how, you know, 250 are fast or so it's a timing chain chopper. 2025. Well, it's my first bike. I'm actually the one of young 215 or 2018. So I'm used to the speed. You know, I'm used to fast like this quick. I can't run up on a 250. No, I can't run up on a 250. You know, so I country road still. So then if you're actually so you can run like a 250. Depends on where the 250 zero speed. But as I said, this channel is all about vlogging date and you know carrying a long journey with me on a regular basis. So the machine clean still. People like the color, like the rims. Everybody say they like the rims and boats and thing. You see, just don't wash off the and thing. So just subscribe and like the video. There's more video. It's like open and like the one, yeah. Read up on yourself.